Unit 3, Lesson 4 test. Number 1. Which of the following describes a compound? A. A substance that contains one type of atom. B. Two or more elements chemically joined together. C. A common method for separating a mixture. Number 2. Reactant A and reactant B undergo a chemical reaction to form C. What type of substance is the product? Hint. Step 1. Look at the reactant A. Step 2. Look at the reactant B. Step 3. Compare reactants A and B to product C. A. An atom. B. An element. C. A compound. Number 3. What type of substance is always made up of a single type of atom? A. Mixture. B. Element. C. Compound. Number 4. What type of substance is always made up of two or more different types of elements joined by chemical bonds? A. A mixture. B. An element. C. A compound. Number 5. Which of these substances is a compound? A. Helium. B. Water. C. Hydrogen. Number 6. Which of these substances is an example of a solution? A. Salt water. B. Mercury. C. Concrete. Number 8. The picture below shows a magnet near a pile of particles of iron and sulfur. The magnet attracts the iron, separating it from the mixture. Based on the picture, which statement is true? A. The parts of a mixture keep their own properties. B. The elements in a compound keep their own properties. C. The properties of a compound are different from the properties of its elements. Number 9. Sucrose is another name for table sugar. Sucrose is a compound made from the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Which statement best describes the properties of sucrose? A. They are exactly like the properties of oxygen. B. They are exactly like the properties of hydrogen. C. They are different from the properties of the elements in sucrose. Number 10. Which of the following is a way in which elements and compounds are similar? A. Elements and compounds are both pure substances. B. Elements and compounds are both listed on the periodic table. C. Elements and compounds are both made up of different kinds of atoms. Number 11. Which of the following is a way in which elements and compounds are different? A. Elements are pure substances, but compounds are not. B. Compounds can be broken down by physical changes, but elements cannot. C. Elements are made of identical atoms, whereas compounds are made of identical molecules. Number 12. A water molecule is made up of one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. Why is water considered a pure substance? A. Water can be broken down by physical means. B. Water can be combined with other substances by physical means. C. Each water molecule is identical. Number 13. The table below lists some physical means for separating mixtures. Method: magnetizing, separating magnetic solids from non-magnetic solids. Sifting, separating substances of different sizes. Decanting, separating liquids of different densities. Boiling, separating water-based solutions. Which method is most likely used for separating mixtures of soil and gold during gold mining activities? A. Magnetizing. B. Sifting. C. Boiling. Number 14. When paper is burned, the mass of the remaining ash is less than the mass of the original paper. Which statement best explains this result? A. The ash has less volume than the paper. B. Some of the matter is destroyed during the reaction. C. Some of the products of the reaction are given off as gas. Number 15. In the laboratory, Austin is given a mixture of iron filings, sand, and salt. To separate the mixture, Austin uses a magnet, boiling water, and a filter. Which statement is true about the process Austin uses to separate his mixture? A. He uses only physical changes to separate the mixture's components. B. He uses only chemical changes to separate the mixture's components. C. He uses both physical and chemical changes to separate the mixture's components.